Hi guys, Saving with Shay. I am going to be going over the envelope challenges that I'm going to be doing for 2022. I was actually surprised a lot of you guys wanted me to do videos on this, and so I feel like if it's gonna help you guys out, definitely I'm all for it. If it's something that's gonna also allow me to hold myself accountable, then I'm so for it. And so for starters, you guys, both of these challenges are envelope challenges. One is the 100 envelope challenge, where you take 100 envelopes and you number them 1 through 100. And every week you choose 2 envelopes at random. You can either go in order and do like 1 and 2 for the first week, and then do 3 and 4 for the second week. You can do it like that if you want. You can do it based on how much you have at the time, or you can just pick at random. I'm gonna just go ahead and just pick at random. Every week I'll choose 2 envelopes. All right, and whatever numbers you choose, you're gonna stuff that envelope with that amount of cash. So if you choose a 46, you're gonna take $46. You're gonna put it in the envelope, and you're gonna either seal it, put a sticker, whatever. And then you choose another one, same thing. And you're gonna do that every single week for the whole entire year, all right? Until you have done every single envelope. And at the end of your year, you're going to have $5,050, which is so awesome because it's a good way to kind of jumpstart you into saving and stuff. And so I'm super excited about this particular challenge. Now the other one that I'm going to be doing, and I have these 2 printouts that I actually just got from someone online. This is the 100 one, and as you choose your envelopes, you just color them in so that you can keep track of where you're at. Okay, the other one is the 52-week challenge. For this one, you're gonna number 52 envelopes. Same exact idea, only you're choosing 1 envelope per week. So each week you're gonna choose 1 envelope, and it's 1 through 52. By the end of the 52 weeks, you will have saved $1,378. So I figured I would do both of these. I feel like the 52-week one is super easy because the most you're going to be saving in any week is $52, which is really cool. And for this one, I actually printed two different ones. This one here actually shows you how much you're saving as you go. That's granted that you're going in order, so you'll always know how much you have if you're going in order. I'm most likely gonna, like I said, just choose at random and just see what I choose, or it'll also be based on whatever I have for that week. I'll be doing mine at the end of each week, and we'll just see what I get as far as sales, maybe offer up, or maybe include my rebate money. As you guys know, I'm a couponer as well. I deal with a lot of rebate apps like Ibotta, Checkout 51, Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, Tada, Shopkick, Fetch Rewards, Field Agent. So there's a lot of different apps that I deal with, and I'm considering incorporating some of that money into this savings challenge for me. Okay, now we're gonna go over what you're going to need. Okay, what you're going to need. So let me tell you this. I really did not want to have to spend too much money. I've been watching like tons of videos here on YouTube. It's like I feel like I'm starting to rewatch videos I've already seen. And so, and if you kind of lose yourself in the videos, you guys, it's easy to start finding yourself spending money on stuff that you really don't need. All right, and so, or at least not right now. And the point of this for me is to save. So I need to try to hold on to as much money as I can. Starting off this challenge, I wanted to, off the back, I knew I did not want to spend any unnecessary money. All right, so as far as things that you're going to need, and the way to save you the most money is to just go to Dollar Tree. All right, Dollar Tree, the 99-cent store. I went to both. I got the envelopes from Walmart. And you're gonna need envelopes, all right? Of course you're gonna need envelopes. All right, this is just the regular Pen Gear brand I think these were like $1.22. These are the lick ones, which I'm not a big fan of lick ones, but I think that the peel and stick ones were close to $3 at my store. So I figured, let's just save more money. I mean, I don't need to lick, right? And so box of envelopes, all right? The next thing you're gonna need is a small container of some sort just to put your stuff in. You can use an old shoebox. You can, I mean, I know a lot of us got a lot of packages from Christmas from Amazon. You can use an empty box. You can use an empty envelope. You can put them in a bag. You really don't need to go out and spend a lot of money on a container. I went to Dollar Tree. I didn't see any containers that I liked. And then I ended up going to the 99-cent store and I found these little baskets and they came in sets of 2. So I was like, these were perfect, all right? Although I did want something that had a top on it, I figured these could work for me. And again, they did come in packs of 2, so it made it even easier for me, right? And so at the 99-cent store, we'll just say these cost me 50 cents each, right? Honestly, you guys, that's really all you need. Like envelopes and something to put them in. Really, that's all you need. Now for me, I wanted to like stretch my envelopes. I am not gonna lie. I wanted to stretch my envelopes as much as I could. So this is what I did. All right, I went ahead and I cut them in half. It's actually less than half. So what I did is I took a regular bill and I folded it like such, you know, and then I put a paper clip just to make sure that, you know, it was the perfect size. You can't see the bill. There it is. All right, and that's what I did. So I cut each envelope in half. So in essence, out of a 100 count box, I'm only using 50 for this challenge because I'm cutting them in half. And so that's basically what I did. All right, so you'll see if I put this bill in here, it's gonna fit perfectly. Perfectly, right? And again, you're just gonna put a number on each one. All right, very, very simple. I went and picked up a bunch of this tape from Dollar Tree. You don't have to do that. I just wanted mine to look a little cute. So that's what I did. So I have 10 different prints. Is it gonna focus? Let me see, yeah. 10 different prints that I used. All right. And then of course we numbered, each envelope has a number. Oops, yep, all numbered, okay. And that's what I did, all right. Again, you don't have to use anything special. You don't need a bunch of whistles and bells and you don't need all that. All you need really is envelopes. All right. I kind of wanted them to look a little cute, at least to make it more fun for me. So I'd be like, okay, this is really fun. And this is really cool. And I'm saving money. And so that's why I put tape on all of them. And so this is my 100 challenge one. This is what it looks like. I haven't started it yet. I'll do my first stuffing the end of this week. And today is the 3rd. All right, so this is 100 challenge, and then this is my 52-week challenge right here. And this is it right here. Okay, super, super easy. I use the same tape for both of them. I think this one I only probably use like maybe 4 different colors. No, I think I used a lot of them for this one too. Super easy. All right, so that's what we did for that one. And then I have this bigger basket here that I'm gonna put them in. And this I got from the 99-cent store too. So I'm pretty much just gonna have them in here like this. Just like that. It's gonna sit like that. This one came in sets of 2 as well, but I'm only gonna use one of them and it's gonna go there. All right, and so that's what I have basically. This is the 100 envelope challenge and this is the 52-week challenge, all right? Now, the more videos that I watched, I realized that, you know what? I really wanna save in other aspects of my life as well. So what I did is I created these money envelopes as well. And so I only made 4 just to kind of give you an idea of how they came out for me. I definitely am going to be doing some more different ones. But for now, I just did one for home, one for planning our wedding, and I did one for each of my sons, David and Josiah. All right, these are the only ones I've done so far. I still need to do, like I said, a few more different ones. But as far as making these, you guys, I know that I watched someone here on YouTube that actually found some of the laminating paper or sheets at Dollar Tree. I couldn't find any. Excuse Josiah, he's in there playing this game. And Josiah, thank you. So basically what I did is I picked up a pack of this poster board. They have some in all black, they have some in all white, and they also have some with brighter colors as well. I like black, so I just figured I would stick to simple black. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with one of these. What I basically did is I took a bill and I just clipped it on here and I measured it. So I measured it from one side to the next, and then I cut it, and then I cut another piece exactly like it. All right, you'll probably cut off just a little off the end, right? But this will make 4 envelopes. All right, so I did it like that. Now when it comes to the fold line, I would suggest using a ruler. I was trying my hardest to not mess up the paper, and I really wanted to have a nice sharp fold, and so I ended up just putting the ruler there and just folding it right over. It was perfect. So this one sheet will make 4 envelopes. All right, once I have the envelopes cut, then I went ahead and just picked colored tape and put it around one end of it. I have it folded inside as well. And then I used these letterings that I got. Now these only come in single sheets, so I did buy 4 packs just in case. Let me show you what the one inside the pack looks like. So this is what it looks like. All right, and these are silver. All right, and so basically what I did is I just put the different names on the ones that I need. Like this is for my oldest son David, he's 15, and this is the little one Josiah, he's 6. Again, I have one for home, and then I have one for planning our wedding. All right, so we can kind of start saving for that as well. And so once I put the stickers on them, then I wrapped it with tape, which was super easy. I used the handle part of a scissors to kind of just smooth it out and kind of get a lot of the air bubbles out of it. I think they came out super cute considering I was able to do them myself, and I really didn't want to have to go and pay any extra money. Like I saw some on Amazon that were really cute, but I was like, you know what? I'm a crafty person. I can do this myself, and feel like I get more value out of it if I do it myself. And so we're starting off with these for now. What else did I want to add as far as this challenge is concerned? I'm going to start the end of this week, so I might record a video if you guys want to see me do my first week. I probably will go ahead and record the first week just so I can kind of track my progress and see how my progress is going, and be able to look back and be like, dang, I did that. Like I did that. And I'm so stoked, you guys. I'm so excited. Now, when it comes to this challenge, you guys, just try not to overwhelm yourself. Try not to overthink the process, which is what I'm going to do. All right. I know that I'm not going to always have the most amount of money to put aside, but I want to still be able to be moving forward with this challenge and be able to still save. So if there's a week where your girl's money is just not there and it's super tight, I'm okay with, you know, pulling a lower envelope just so I can continue to move forward. All right. Other than that, guys, that's basically it. I really hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Join me in this journey. If you guys have done envelope challenges before, savings challenges, definitely share with me in the comments. I'm really looking forward to doing this because I really want to start saving more money. And if this is going to allow me to accomplish that, then I'm all there. Other than that, I'll leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day. Wherever you're watching from. I'll see you guys next. Thanks for watching.